Okay, hello everyone. We meet again in this project. So in this time, I will explain to you my next project. It's about midterm examination. So in this midterm examination, the issue is about how do we make timer using clock and some push button. So let's check it out. So this is my circuit. So in this circuit, it consists of some components like a previous project, but the function is different. In here, if I first thing that we need to do is to setting the time, and it will count down from the time to 0. If it's already 0, then the timer will be turn on the alarm, and while we are waiting, I will show you my code. So here is the code that I used to make this circuit. It seems like before, but difference is it seems for the melody using the 4 Ls melody, and this is the note duration. And about the music, it's same, but because it's timer, the differences is, so we need to decrease the time or second. So we are using -1, not +1, because we are decreasing the time. And it's in here we are also decrease the time, but I will show you later. So in this code, it consists of two modes. First is the setting mode and run mode, but in here this is still running, so we need to wait until it change become 00. So when the alarm start to count down, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, then the alarm will turn on. In this circuit, we can stop the music anytime that we want, but in here I will show you until the music is finished. So it will finish. After the music finish, it will continue, but if we want to stop the music, we just need to push the button, then the music will stop. When the music is stopped, we can adjust the timer again like before, so it will count down from 1 minute until 0 again. So in this circuit we can pause the second. Wait, we can pause the second, and we can adjust again, and then we can play it again, and then we can stop it again. Wait, we can stop it, and we can adjust again, and we can play it again, and so on. So how does this code work? So it seems like before we are using some libraries here. But in previous code we are only using in previous code we are using hours, but in this midterm we are only use minutes and seconds, so we don't need to use hours. And then it still have the mode, because there are two modes. The first is to adjust the time, and the second mode, the mode 2, it's to run the timer, so it will count down until 0. So there is the variable music flags to store the data, it is 0 or 1. So in here, it seems like before there are setting for mode. If we push the button, it will be changed from mode 1 and mode 0. And if the mode 0, it means when we are first trying the code, we just need to adjust the code. So if in the mode 1, it means we run the code, and then in here there are the difference. If minutes more than 0, it means seconds will come down. It will decrease. If it is already decreased until 0, it will start from 59 again. And if it is minutes already 0, then minutes always 0. And if seconds already in here, in this case it's 0, then seconds always 0. So we can see in here when I will show you. We just first when 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it will change to 1. So it will not wait until 100 or 200. It will directly from 1 to 59. So it will not going to 0 first. But if it's already minute at 0, and if it's minutes already 0, then it will directly become 0. It's because this code. So the differences is with the display, so we just need to show the minutes and the seconds, and we don't need to using the blink or dot points. And then this is if it is the minutes equal to 0 and seconds equal to 0, then music flags. And if music flag is equal to 0, then music playing. And while music playing, we can interrupt the music by pressing the start button. So music flag will become 1, and music flag will stop the music playing. So it will continue to our code before. So that's how the code works. It will work until as we want. It will stop and so on. Okay. We will wait again until it's become 0. For sun, e, link. So it will start to play the music. It means the timer is already done. Okay, I will stop the music. Okay, it's all about my midterm project in this case. If there is mistaken, I want to say sorry. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.